Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. From the highest heavens, O breath of God, Comforter and Healer, sickness in our world, Spirit, come. Too many are dying, Spirit, come. All the same we give you thanks, Spirit, come. Come, Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, of temptation, Spirit, and in times of addiction, Spirit, in times of depression, Spirit, Spirit, where people have no freedom, Spirit, where people have no hope, Spirit, where people have no right, Spirit. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. When I'm feeling lonely, Spirit, come. And when I am afraid, Spirit, come. When I am heartbroken, Spirit, feel cheated, Spirit, come. When I feel enslaved, Spirit, come. When I feel misunderstood, Spirit, come. Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Touch my anger, Spirit, restrain my vengeance, Spirit, come. Heal my memory, Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Bless my path, Holy Spirit, come. Awaken my presence,